Viva House is a residence in Brasília, Brazil, showcasing modern architecture defined by a sense of serenity, a bold character, and a deep connection to nature. Its composition, a blend of concrete masses, glass planes, and open spaces, lends the home an air of solidity balanced by lightness. At first glance, the building demonstrates how simple forms can create a captivating spatial experience. Upon entering the house, one's attention is immediately drawn to the interplay between the interior spaces and the surrounding landscape. Expansive glass openings allow natural light to penetrate deep into the rooms, while seamlessly integrating garden views into the architectural composition. The boundary between indoors and outdoors blurs, fostering an open atmosphere without compromising privacy. Concrete is the dominant element. While its surface projects a sense of solidity and monumentality, the material's raw, honest character imparts visual warmth when paired with wood, glass, and greenery. The contrast between rigid materials and natural elements lends a unique character to each space while maintaining the home's overall harmony. The layout is designed to create a varied experience throughout the day. Social areas maintain a strong connection to the outdoors, while private zones are positioned to prioritize tranquility and comfort. Movement between spaces feels fluid and unconstrained, as light, gardens, and openings constantly accompany one's journey through the home. A key highlight of Viva House is its use of light. Sunlight filtering through gaps in glass surfaces transforms the atmosphere from morning to evening. Shadows cast upon concrete walls, floors, and wooden surfaces seem to bring the house to life, making the architecture feel dynamic and ever-changing as time passes. Viva House demonstrates that architectural luxury does not always stem from complex forms. Instead, the home's strength arises from the meticulous handling of proportions, materials, light, and its relationship with the landscape. Through a simple yet thoughtful approach, a residence was created that feels modern and serene, blending harmoniously with its surroundings.